We have tape. Sticky, strong tape.
Stand by. File loading. File name. Canada National Alert July 120. Time. July 1st, 2020. 5:00 p.m. Toronto time. Analyzing file. File will play now.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is a national emergency. All regular programming has been suspended at the request of the White House. At noon Eastern Daylight Time, the North American Aerospace Defense Command detected 7 nuclear missiles headed directly for the continental United States, and the following cities will be impacted within 20 minutes: Los Angeles, Seattle, Phoenix, Houston, Chicago, New York City, and Washington, D.C. All residents within a 200-mile radius of these areas should seek a fallout shelter immediately.
We apologize for the interruption. There is no actual emergency. This was only a test of the National Emergency Alert System. The missile threat is a hoax. This is a test. This is only a test. We will now resume regular programming.
Broadcast interference.
We apologize for the
interruption.
Well, that was the craziest thing I did. Well, I'll see you guys in the next video.